How to edit keywords in the Google Ads campaign. Really easy and simple, guys. So you want to first go to the search keywords within the campaigns menu, and then you want to just check the box next to the keywords that you want to go ahead and edit. And just select the edit drop down. And if you want to go ahead and do changes other than just enabling, pausing, or removing those keywords, so go ahead and make those edits and then select apply. Okay, and you can also select preview if you want to view your changes before you apply them. Now, if you're running a search campaign and you want to select, a new match category, you want to click the pencil icon next to the keyword. And if you want to change the bid, you can click on the pencil icon and next to the amount in the max, the CPC column. Okay, go ahead and do that, and that's how you can basically edit your keywords. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.